Begin by unlocking the sash lock, then lift the bottom sash halfway up to give easier access. Slide the tilt latches located at the top of the sash away from the frame using both hands. Tilt the sash towards you at a 90-degree angle. Then lift one side of the sash slightly so that the tilt pin comes out of the pivot shoe. Then remove the sash from the window opening. Remove the chimney block at the bottom of the balance cover and set aside. Remove the balance cover on both sides of the window frame. This will allow you to gain access to the balance rod. Attach the balance tool to the tip of the balance rod. Pull the balance tool towards you to disconnect it from the pivot shoe. Use a Phillips screwdriver or electric drill to remove the attachment screw that secures the balance rod to the window frame. Insert the replacement spiral balance into the window frame and use the adjustment screw to attach and secure it in place. Add tension to the balance by pushing the rod up as far as it will go into the tube. Then attach the balance tube to the rod and pull it out of the balance tube. Rotate the rod 2 or 3 times to add tension to the balance. Attach the rod to the pivot shoe and secure it. Reinstall the balance cover on both sides of the window frame. Reinstall the chimney block at the bottom of the balance cover. Insert one tilt pin into the pivot shoe. Tilt the sash down slightly to align the other tilt pin with the pivot shoe and insert it. Reinstall the sash back into the window frame. Test the sash for smooth operation. If the sash closes or lifts on its own, the tension will need to be adjusted. Turning clockwise will increase the tension and counterclockwise will release the tension.